turn your favorite photograph into a beautiful watercolor painting. Now, the first thing you need to do is pick a photograph that you'd love to turn into a picture, and then download apps that turn digital images into digital watercolor images. There's a few around, most of them are free. I personally chose Waterbrush, but there are plenty of apps out there. Once you have that watercolor image, make sure you print it on transfer paper for an inkjet printer. Don't just print the image straight onto the canvas. It will look fake and it doesn't print very well. This way, it looks like a real painting. Grab the transfer, pop it on top of the canvas paper. Get ready to get your ironing girl on. Make sure the iron's perfectly hot and get a piece of fabric to put on top of the transfer and then iron. Check the back of the instructions to see how long you need to apply heat. Generally, each transfer paper is different, but start peeling it off and it should come off pretty seamlessly. And it looks exactly like a beautiful watercolor painting. Next, grab a frame. I like to use scissors to remove the back so my fingers don't get sore, and just whip out the generic photo and maybe even give the glass frame a wipe down so that you see clearly the beautiful watercolor print. Pop the print in and then voila! You have a stunning watercolor picture that looks like it's been painted. See you next time. Bye.